Imprivata Privileged Access Management addresses critical security and compliance challenges by protecting privileged access to your organization's most sensitive IT systems and digital assets. With Imprivata Privileged Access Management, you can improve your security posture, meet regulatory compliance and audit requirements, and reduce cybersecurity insurance premiums. Here's how it works. Privileged users can access the Imprivata Privileged Access Management admin console quickly and securely through integrations with Imprivata OneSign and Confirm ID. From the PAM login screen, users click OneSign Login, and they will be redirected to use our SAML authentication. Users will enter their username and password. Then, to add an important layer of security, they will be prompted for a second factor of authentication through the Imprivata ID mobile app. The user accepts this push notification, and they are authenticated into the Imprivata Privileged Access Management console. Once logged in, users will see their record list, which shows the various records and assets that the specific user has access to based on their role and associated permissions. The credentials for their individual accounts are stored in the Enterprise Password Vault within the solution. A user can click into any of their records, for example, a Windows server. They will see the details about that asset, the most important of which are the credentials to access this server, and as you can see, the password is concealed for security purposes. The user can then request access to the asset for a specific amount of time, which can be set up for either automatic or manual approval. An audit log is created for these requests. Once the user is granted access, they can use the session manager to connect to the server, and the admin password is never exposed to the user. Once connected, the user can then perform whatever administrator function they need to complete. On the back end, the session manager is actively monitoring the connected session. Admins can join in real time if needed, and the session is also recorded so there is a detailed granular audit trail of exactly what the admin did during that session. Session Manager will also create a record of specific actions taken during the session, so you have an audit record if needed. In addition, Imprivata Privileged Access Management can help manage password rotation and other tasks using the Jobs Engine functionality. For example, you can rotate a password every time an administrator uses a password, which minimizes the risk of unauthorized access. This task will then run in the background when applicable. A record is created for each of these tasks, which can easily be accessed for auditing purposes. To learn more about Imprivata Privileged Access Management and how it can improve security, help you comply with regulatory requirements, and reduce your cybersecurity insurance premiums, visit imprivata.com or contact your Imprivata account team.